Welcome to Tech for SLN. C#, pronounced C#, is a general-purpose, modern, object-oriented, and type-safe programming language. It was developed by Microsoft lead by Anders Heilsberg and his team, and was approved by the European Computer Manufacturers Association, ECMA, and International Standards Organization, ISO. C# has its roots in the C family of languages and will be immediately familiar to C, C++, Java, and JavaScript programmers. C# used for desktop application, web application, mobile application, web services, websites, game development, and more. C# features and its advantage. C# provides powerful features such as nullable types, delegates and event management, properties and events, indexer, language integrated query and lambda expression, pattern matching, and safe direct memory access, and more. C# supports generic methods and types, which provide increased type safety and performance. C# provides iterators, which enable implementers of collection classes to define custom behaviors for client code. Language integrated query expressions make the strongly typed query a first-class language constructor. As an object-oriented programming language, C# supports the concept of inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism and abstraction. Why use C#? The following reasons make C# a widely used professional language. It is a modern, general-purpose programming language. It is one of the most popular programming language. It is an object-oriented. It is a component-oriented. C# is a structured language. It produces efficient programs, compiled on a variety of computer platforms. It's easy to learn. .NET Platform Architecture. C# programs run on .NET, a virtual execution system called the Common Language Runtime, CLR, and a unified set of class libraries. The CLR is the commercial implementation by Microsoft of the Common Language Infrastructure, CLI, an international standard. The CLI is the basis for creating execution and development environments in which languages and libraries work together seamlessly. The .NET Framework applications are multi-platform applications. The framework has been designed in such a way that it can be used from any of the following languages: C#, C++, Visual Basic, JavaScript, COBOL, etc. All these languages can access the framework as well as communicate with each other. Introduction to .NET. .NET is a free, open-source development platform for building many kinds of apps, such as web apps, web APIs, and microservices. Serverless functions in the cloud. Cloud-native apps, mobile apps, desktop apps. Windows WPF, Windows Forms. Universal Windows Platform, UWP, games, Internet of Things, IoT, machine learning, console apps, Windows services. Cross-platform. We can create .NET apps for many operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, tvOS, watchOS. Supported processor architectures. 32-bit operating system, 64-bit operating system. ARM32 and ARM64. Integrated development environments. Integrated development environments for .NET include Visual Studio. Run on Windows only. Has extensive built-in functionality designed to work with .NET. Visual Studio for Mac. Runs on Mac OS only. For developing .NET apps and games for iOS, Android, and web. Visual Studio Code. Run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Free and open source. Extensions are available for working with .NET languages. Visual Studio Codespaces, formerly Visual Studio Online. Thanks for watching.